Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to show you a unique way to make money online using Google Map, which is very easy to do. This is a very legit and approved method, and anybody can do this and see results. Without wasting time, let's get started. So go to your Google search browser and type in Google Map. Hit enter, let it load, and click on the first link, let it load. So now that you have Google Map opened, wherever you live on the planet is where you want your Google pointer to be. So basically, once you go to Google Map, it will automatically show you where you live. So when you go to Google Map, you should probably see your house, your apartment, in general, where you live. For this method to work, it is important to be local. So it is actually going to work for you more if you use your local area or where you are currently living. So the next step is you need a Google Chrome browser for this. So if you do not have a Google Chrome browser already, you should download it and install it. Just go to your search bar and type in Google Chrome and hit enter, let it load, and you can click on the first link to download and install it for free. So once you install Google Chrome on your PC, go to the top right hand corner of the browser and you will see right here, click on the icon and let it load. You will land on a page like this. Click on Web Store right here, let it load. Once you are on this page, type in the search bar Facebook Pixel Helper. Once you are done, hit enter and let it load. Now click on the first app right here, Facebook Pixel Helper. Once it loads, click on Add to Chrome right here. Accept and add extension to Chrome. Let the process load, and once it is done, you will see this message up here saying Facebook Pixel Helper has been added to Chrome. So once you're done, go back to Google Maps. Now what you want to do is to find a local business around your area. That could be any kind of business. It could be a hair salon, a barber shop, a dentist, or an auto repair shop. So for example, let us use dentist. So let's type in dentist and hit enter, let it load. And as you can see right here, all these red spotted locations are money that you can make. And one thing I have discovered is that in my own location, most of these dentist clinics don't even have a website at all. And guys, you can also make a lot of money by personally visiting these clinics. That is why you have to make sure you are doing this using your location, which is more closer to where you are living. In that case, you can personally visit these clinics and talk to them one-on-one, or just call them with their available phone number, which is available online. And you can tell them that you will help them build up a website for their business. And you don't need to be a website guru to convince them. So at the end of this video, if you watch till the very end, I will show you how you will be able to get someone for as low as $5 to build you a simple website, only if you watch till the end. So as I said, most of the dentist clinics here on this page don't have a website, but remember, yours may be different. Yours may have websites. So if they all have a website, the next step is to check out their website. If their website has a Facebook pixel on it, which means do they run Facebook ads to get more customers? So for example, the ones with the website are on the left hand corner, this side. So let's choose one and click on their website and let it open. Let's click on this one and let it load. Once it loads, you will see all their details and info about their business on their site. So all you need to do right now is to check if this clinic is running Facebook ads. So all you need to do is to go to the right hand top corner of your Chrome browser and click right here where it says extensions. And once you click, you will see the Facebook Pixel Helper extension that we installed earlier. So click on that, and this will help you to check if the website or if this clinic has been already running ads on their Facebook for their business. As you can see right here, they are not running ads on their website. As you can see right here, no Facebook Pixel found. So what you are going to do is reach out to this company and tell them that you are going to run Facebook ads for them for free and help them to get more customers. So I am going to give you a script for free to use. So this is the script. You can use the script to send them an email or send them a message, whichever way at all. Or you can even call their number or pay them a visit yourself. Remember, this is strictly business. You can make a lot of money from this if you put in the work yourself. As you can see the script right here, we are giving out the script for free. So all you need to do is to send them a message. My name is, you put in your name, and I want to know if you would want more customers in your business in the next 30 days. And the thing is, you don't have to pay me a dime until I actually deliver the result. Well, again, my name is, you put in your name, and I run a very successful Facebook advertisement in, you put in your location. I help local businesses like yours to get more customers. Again, this does not cost you any money until you see undeniable results. And all I need is a few details, and I can start running traffic to your website, attracting paying customers to your business. Reply as soon as possible so I can get started. Thank you. And then you put your name. So now you may be saying, I don't know how to run Facebook ads. How can I do that? So I want you to go to this website called Fiverr.com. Once you are on this website, type in Facebook ads and hit search. Let it load. Once you are on this page, you will see a lot of people on this website who are willing to run Facebook ads for you to pay them. So all you need to do is to pay them and they will run the Facebook ads for you. And the coolest thing about this website is that you only pay after you see the result. So you don't have to worry about payment at all. So guys, to make real money, you need to put in some money and get this thing started. Remember, the more work you put in, the more money you will make. You can reach out to 10 to 20 companies a day with the script we have given you for free. So all you need to do is to copy the script, which will be in the description below. Copy it and use it. So the final tip I want to review to you on how you can build a website for these companies that don't have one. All you need to do is to go to the same website right here, Fiverr.com, and type in website and hit enter and let it load, and you will land on this page. So all you need to do is to scroll down and you will see a lot of people who are willing to create a website for you. And just like we said, you only pay after you see the result. So right now, I am going to review to you the final secret and the bonus at the end of this video. All you need to do is to go back up to this website called Fiverr.com and change the budget to $10 or $5 or whatever amount you want to put it. But remember, it must be $5 upward. So once you are done, hit enter and let it load. Right on this page, if you scroll down, you will find people who are willing to build you a website for just $5 or $10, guys. This is awesome. So all you need is to go out there and get these businesses and convince them that they need a website, and tell them to get a website if they don't have a website yet. And again, you can apply this same method with the Facebook ads by just changing your budget to $5 or $10, and you will also see a lot of people offering to create for you Facebook ads for just $5 or $10. So guys, go on and take advantage of this right now. Remember, if you put in the hard work, you will make the money. So guys, make sure you go through the process we just explained in the video. Watch this video again if you miss out on anything. That's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new video when we post a new video. And if you have any comment, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.